Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Bitcoin eyes $38,000 retest amid volatile market movements. Next, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF now invites participation from Wall Street banks. Also, SEC meets Franklin Templeton to discuss its Bitcoin ETF. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: Bitcoin eyes $38,000 retest amid volatile market movements. The $38,000 mark for Bitcoin is critical, where market reactions could indicate future trends and investment opportunities. Bitcoin's recent decline to around $42,000 before bouncing back has spotlighted its stability and investor response at key thresholds. The movement over 5,000 BTC between unknown wallets adds another layer of intrigue to Bitcoin's volatile market dynamics. In recent market trends in the cryptocurrency sector have spotlighted Bitcoin, especially regarding its potential retest of the $38,000 mark. This level is a significant support zone that has historically proven its strength. The bearish pressure has intensified the interest in Bitcoin, with investors keen to see whether this support level holds amid market volatility. Crypto Tony, a prominent crypto analyst and trader, recently shared a Twitter post about the potential retracement of a major cryptocurrency to the $38,000 level, identifying it as a significant support zone. Bitcoin's journey has been a roller coaster of highs and lows. It soared to a staggering high of over $44,000 earlier this month, only to experience a notable pullback. This drop brought its value down to around $42,000, but quickly bounced back to around $41,500 as of writing. This volatile market behavior has raised questions about Bitcoin's stability and investor response at key thresholds, such as the $38,000 support level. This level has been more than just a number for Bitcoin. It has acted as a robust foundation upon which the currency's value has often stabilized. A retest of this zone could signal a crucial phase for Bitcoin, indicating a prime buy-in opportunity for interested investors. The market's response to this potential retest is eagerly anticipated, as it could set the tone for Bitcoin's short-term trajectory. Whale Alert, a blockchain tracker and analytics system reporting large transactions, shared an X post providing the details of a significant transfer of BTC to an unknown wallet. In addition to these price movements, there's been a notable transaction in the Bitcoin network. A substantial amount of 5,313 BTC, equivalent to approximately $222.6 million, was transferred between unknown wallets. This transaction has added another layer of intrigue to Bitcoin's current market behavior, as large-scale transfers often do. The whale-sized transaction has sparked speculation about its intentions and potential impact on the market. Today, the BTC market shows a slight inclination towards the bearish side, with selling pressure starting to build up. At the time of writing, the BTC token is trading at 41,860 with a 24-hour dip of 1.43%. However, over the past week, it has shown growth by 1.79%. Despite this recent dip, Bitcoin's overall outlook remains positive, with many experts predicting a bullish run in the coming months. The trading volume has also remained strong, with a surge of 27% at $32 billion in the past 24 hours. In summary, with Bitcoin at its forefront, the cryptocurrency market offers a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. The potential retest of the $38,000 mark has implications for short-term traders and long-term investors. If bears take control and push Bitcoin below the support level, it could lead to further declines. On the other hand, if bulls manage to defend this crucial zone and push prices back up, it could signal a potential buying opportunity for those looking to enter the market. Our next top headline, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF now invites participation from Wall Street banks. A change to the structure of proposed spot Bitcoin ETFs would enable authorized participants, or APs, to create new shares in the fund with cash, rather than only with cryptocurrency, essentially opening the door to banks who cannot hold crypto directly. A change to the mechanics of BlackRock's proposed spot Bitcoin ETF opens the door for Wall Street banks, which face restrictions holding cryptocurrencies, to play a key role. BlackRock recently made it so authorized participants, a vital part of the ETF ecosystem, will be able to create new fund shares with cash rather than only with cryptocurrency. As highly regulated U.S. banks are unable to hold Bitcoin themselves, this setup would enable the likes of JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs, firms with some of the largest balance sheets in the world, to act as APs to BlackRock's ETF. Whether they want to is another matter. The cash APs used in this process can then be exchanged into Bitcoin by an intermediary and warehoused by the ETF's custody provider, as per a memo filing relating to a November 28th meeting involving the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, BlackRock, and NASDAQ. Optimism has grown that spot Bitcoin ETFs will soon be approved by the SEC, which would be a game changer for the digital assets industry if it lures in a flood of money from retail investors. A commonly held view up until now was that APs would be large market-making firms with experience in crypto, such as Jane Street, Jump Trading, and Virtu, not banks. But the change means banks could get a cut of the action and broaden the ranks of liquidity providers. If the SEC accepts this revised dual model of create and redeem with cash and physical, this means the liquidity that supports the ETF shares when they trade would be increased, because obviously you have more potential APs as part of the process. CF Benchmark's CEO Sue Chung said in an interview, CF Benchmarks is the Kraken-owned benchmarks administrator for several existing spot Bitcoin ETF applications, including BlackRock's. And although trading firms like Jane Street, etc., are large and are experts, they fundamentally don't have the trillion-dollar-plus balance sheets that large American banks have. Our next top headline, SEC meets Franklin Templeton to discuss its Bitcoin ETF. Franklin Templeton met with the SEC to discuss its Bitcoin ETF proposal, signaling progress in the U.S. Bitcoin ETF market. The SEC is weighing options with decisions on Bitcoin ETF applications expected by May 30th. Approval of Bitcoin ETFs could significantly boost institutional investment in cryptocurrencies. The financial industry is buzzing with the latest development in the cryptocurrency sphere as Franklin Templeton, the giant of asset management, recently engaged in strategic discussions with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission about its ambitious Bitcoin ETF proposal. This meeting, held in the backdrop of a turbulent market, marks a significant step in the journey of Bitcoin ETFs towards mainstream acceptance. Navigating the Bitcoin ETF labyrinth. The road to launching a Bitcoin ETF in the United States has been anything but smooth. Franklin Templeton threw its hat into the ring in September 2023 amidst a growing list of hopefuls vying for SEC approval. This move placed them in a competitive arena with 13 other issuers, including the likes of Pando, each angling to pioneer the Bitcoin ETF space in America. However, the SEC, known for its meticulous approach, has played the role of a tough gatekeeper, extending the comment period for these applications, thus delaying any immediate decisions. While the details of Franklin Templeton's recent rendezvous with the SEC remain under wraps, the meeting is a telltale sign of potential progress. The SEC, not one to rush into decisions that would benefit the crypto industry, has been similar in discussions with other major players like BlackRock and Grayscale. As the January 2024 horizon approaches, there's a palpable sense of anticipation among crypto enthusiasts who are betting on the SEC's green light for multiple Bitcoin ETF filings. However, the true test for Franklin Templeton's application lies ahead, with updates expected by March 31st and a final decision by May 30th. The final countdown and market speculations. The Bitcoin ETF saga is nearing its climax as discussions between the SEC and issuers enter critical stages. The heart of these talks revolves around the redemption plan, a key aspect for any ETF. Market analysts speculate that the SEC might lean towards a cash creation system as opposed to the in-kind model, though this remains conjectural until confirmed by Gary Gensler's commission. The stakes are high and the implications vast. A successful Bitcoin ETF launch could usher in a new era of institutional investment in cryptocurrencies. Industry giants like Mike Novogratz of Galaxy Digital and Cathie Wood of ARK Invest are optimistic about the potential influx of billions of dollars in investments. They aren't alone in their beliefs. Sunny Liu, CEO of VeChain, echoes their sentiments, suggesting that the approval of a Bitcoin ETF could have a more significant impact on the market than even Bitcoin's halving events. As the crypto community waits with bated breath, the SEC's decision on Bitcoin's ETFs remain one of the most eagerly anticipated events in the financial sector. This decision will not only shape the future of cryptocurrency investments, but also signal the level of institutional acceptance of digital assets. Franklin Templeton, along with its peers, stands at the forefront of this potential financial revolution, awaiting a verdict that could change the face of investment strategies in the digital age. In sum, the meeting between Franklin Templeton and the SEC is more than just a routine discussion. It's a chess game where the stakes are high and the players are poised for a transformative move. The outcome of this game could well dictate the trajectory of Bitcoin's ETFs and, by extension, the future of cryptocurrency investments. As the deadline inches closer, the financial world watches, waits, and wonders. Will the SEC give the green light to Franklin Templeton's Bitcoin ETF, thus opening the floodgates for a new wave of crypto investments? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the crypto market will never be the same. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.